The NBP or New Bilibid Prison is the primary national penitentiary of the Philippines. It is located in Muntinlupa City, Metro Manila, and it is administered by the Bureau of Corrections under the Department of Justice. It is highly security facility, which the prison is surrounded by a high double fence with barbed wire and has multiple watchtower. Also, guards at the entrance are heavily armed to prevent smuggling. Inmates must adhere to strict rules and have limited access to areas like the prison yard. Functions and programs of New Bilibid Prison efforts are underway to improve the prison system, including reorienting guard values, using technology like body cameras, and implementing livelihood and skills training programs for inmates to promote rehabilitation. Beyond incarceration, the New Bilibid Prison aims to provide avenues for inmates' rehabilitation and social reintegration through skills training, work programs, and fostering a sense of community. The Correctional Institution for Women, or CIW, is the primary women's prison in the Philippines, located in Mandaluyong City, Metro Manila, and operated by the Bureau of Corrections under the DOJ or Department of Justice. It is established in 1929. The CIW was the first and remained the only penal institution for women offenders in the country. The CIW, or Correctional Institution for Women, classifies inmates into maximum, medium, and minimum security levels based on their risk, criminal history, and sentence, as well as individual psychological and behavioral assessment. Inmates are housed in different compounds or camps to ensure safety and facilitate rehabilitation programs. The CIW, or Correctional Institution for Women, offers various rehabilitation programs, including religious services, education, livelihood training, and social skill development. There are vocational education programs also, and opportunities for inmates to earn certificates of completion. The Iwahig Prison and Penal Farm, or IPPF, is an open-air correctional facility in Puerto Princesa, Palawan, Philippines. Known as the Prison Without Walls, established in 1904, it allows persons deprived of liberty who have shown good behavior to engage in farming and other community activities as part of the rehabilitation and integration programs. The IPPF is one of the 7 operating units of the Bureau of Corrections and is focused on providing PDLs with opportunities for personal growth and recovery in a more open environment. The IPPF classification security aligns with the Bureau of Corrections standard, which includes super maximum, medium, and minimum security levels based on the inmate's security risk, nature of crime, and behavior. As an open institute with a prison without walls, Iwahig is known for its open-air approach, allowing the persons deprived of liberty to serve under open conditions. The IPPF key programs include agricultural production, such as rice planting and fishing, vocational training in farming, forestry, carpentry, and paramedical work, and educational and psychosocial support aimed at fostering personal growth and successful reintegration.